begins. It's only from my thighs down. Man, that's cold.
Oh shit.
All right, so we just got done with that water crossing. I'm cold, I'm shivering. Just to get done with it and realize there's another one.
What do you think? I wonder if it'll just keep drying, or I wonder if it just broke.
Early morning, it's chilly, so getting in this freaking freezing water is gonna suck first thing in the morning. Making our way up and out of the canyon, straight uphill. Almost to the top. Oh. All right. Oh, made it. West Clear Creek Wilderness.